Hey, what's up guys? I'm just gonna solve a Rubik's Cube, and I'm talking because, well, not because, to show you guys that I'm not doing it backwards, like losers do. It's totally scrambled, so you know, just do that a little bit. Now, I'll just solve it. And yes, I do know I'm slow. I can't do it in under a minute. I can do it in under 10 minutes, under 5 minutes also. One time I did it in like 4 minutes and 26 seconds or something like that. And it tends to lock up on me. Like that, it locks up on me. Sucks. Yeah, and that's it. So, let me know if you want me to post a tutorial. I will do that if you guys really want it. But just let me know what you think. It's probably as fast as I can do it without messing up. So, thanks for watching.